Hello guys, this is a short tutorial for how to upload an animated background on your Steam profile without buying it. The first step is to find a background. So let's go to the points shop and search for a background. As you see here, we can only see the background in a smaller way. Under the name of the background, it's the name of the game where the backgrounds came from. We need that. So copy the name. We go on Steam Card Exchange. We have to log in into the website. Then we have to search the game. In my case, it's Retrowave. And here I scroll down until I see the section for animated backgrounds. And I press preview. That's it.
Are you tired of looking at a blank profile? Or you hate that ugly and dirty animation made in Paint? Then I got the solution. Order now a cool custom animation that will make your mother cry. Hurry up and make her proud.